So we're on with step 3 of the process, which is your replenish wax. So that is the one, hold on, that says that on look number 3. There is the replenish wax. I've got mine in some warm water. I've just put some warm water, well, I've put some hot water in the bottom of that little dish there, and it's sort of doing like a bain-marie, so it's melting the wax inside. Nice soft wax. So you saw, this is the 3rd part of what you'll get in your restoration kit. Step 1, you saw we used the Revive, and we got all the marks out at the top. And then step 2, we did the Restore, where we gave it a polish. So it looks like that now. And now we want to finish it with the Revive, because it's a bit shiny. I mean, some people like it shiny, it's your own preference. But with step 3, you get in your kit a polishing cloth, which will be a bit of second-hand cloth, but it won't look dirty, it'll look clean. And the very finest wire wool, super fine. So what I'm going to do here is just straight away, real time again. The wax is lovely and soft now. You want real nice, soft, buttery wax. And I'm going to take a little bit on the wire wool. This is our little family trick of the trade. And we're just going to go, what I do is I give it a little dabbler, like this. And then I just slowly go with the grain here. And what I'm doing is I'm just matting off that bit of shine. We don't want it to look like a boiled sweet. We want it to look like a nice edged box. A little bit more wax. And we're just going to go around the outside like that. Nice dab. And then look, we're going to rub with the grain. So we're getting a bit of a satin finish here. Okay. So you probably see now if I hold this up, it looks more like a traditional nice oak box. One day I'll have nice studio lighting and everything will be nice, but we've already just edged it a bit. And then what I like to do with my kit is, I like to just get the buffing cloth out. I put a little bit more of the buttery wax on, always the softer wax. And I'm just going to go round in circles, and then the wax will just nicely go into any little bits of grain there. And what you'll have done is you get the wax nicely in like this, and then you're going to leave that now for 10 or 15 minutes because we want the wax to set. So we're not going to wait for that, but you'll wait for 10 or 15 minutes. The wax will set, and then you'll get a nice cloth in a fresh part like this. Okay, and you'll grab it and you'll buff nicely with the grain. And what the Replenish does, it'll give a nice feed-in finish, and it'll just take the shine off. And if it's your first time polishing and you followed my kit and you've got uneven lines, the very fine wire wool and the wax will clean up all that, so you have a very tidy looking finish, and you don't have to worry about learning to body up and all these other things. It's a nice bulletproof way to dramatically improve a piece of furniture. I'll bring that close. You can see the brassware is shined up, and we've got a lovely nice box, lovely edged colour, and look nice. It's just there. You see it? All good? Right, I'm trying to make my vids fast because, well, I don't want to make them fast, but apparently they get shared more if they go longer, but just not bothered. I'd rather give you the information right. So yeah, look, beautiful. So that is step 3. That's what you'll end up with. Step 1, 2, and 3. If you go back in my vids, you'll see stage 1 of this box, and then stage 2, and then this is stage 3. I'm sure if I was clever, I could link it all together in some fancy video, but the only thing I can do is restore furniture and try and show you this. Okay, and you can order my kit online, englishpolisher.co.uk. Buy the restoration pack. It's the best value one. You get it posted for £49. Everything in. I've barely used an inch of the whole stuff, the bottle, the thing. You could probably do 25 or 30 of them. You could probably do more. But yeah, good value. All right, thanks.